We're at the main IPM screen, so we go up to the patient view button here. This is the one with the little man on it. So we click it and we get the patient search dialog, and we're looking for Roger Andrews. It's already in here from a previous search. So we're assuming here that the patient is registered and we're not doing any checking for duplicate patient records. So we click OK and we see a list of patients with surname Andrew. So the list for this surname is then ordered by first name, so that if there are similar names, you'll see them next to each other. So we click on the line for Roger Andrews. So we now right click on this line. We get this menu and we click on referrals. So this gives us the dialog where we can search for referrals. So if you click OK on this just as it comes up, you will then see a list of all the open referrals for this patient. If you look down here, you can see that the number of referrals is 16. If you look at the icon here, they've all got the little folder, which the folder is open and there's a piece of paper coming out of it. So that means it's an open referral. If the folder then has a tick on it, it means that the referral's been authorised. If you look at this one, if the folder has a small cross on it, it means that the referral has been rejected. Let's just close that list for now. If we right-click on the patient row, get the menu and select referrals again, if we now tick the completed and cancelled tick boxes here, that will show us all the referrals which are completed and cancelled if we click OK here. As you can see, there are 5 of those, that's shown down at the bottom. So if we look at the folders here, this is the closed folder icon, which doesn't have the bit of paper coming out of it. If the folder has a tick, then it's authorised, and if it has the small cross, then it has been rejected, the same as the open referrals. So we'll shut this one down as well. So let's get the referral search box back up again. So we go right click and then referrals. What people are not always aware of is that the completed and cancelled tick boxes down here are what is called tri-state boxes. So if you leave completed clear, it will pull out referrals which are not completed or closed. If you tick completed, it will pull out referrals which are completed. But if you click it twice, it goes grey. It will pull out referrals which are either completed or not completed. So if you click cancelled twice, it will pull out referrals which are either cancelled or not cancelled. And the effect of that is to pull out all the referrals that are in the system for the patient. And that is useful if you're looking for duplicate referrals, or a referral that's been closed by mistake, or a referral that's had the wrong activity attached to it. So what we're now seeing is this should be all the referrals that are in the system for this patient. And if we look down here, we can see 21, which if you add the 5 cancelled or completed to the 16 open, that gives you your 21. They are ordered by the referral received date, with the most recent one at the top. So if you're trying to validate or investigate a pathway that there's something wrong with, this might be a useful thing to do, because you can see all the referrals that are in the system for this patient, and not just the ones that are open.